Okay, to determine if a salt is gonna give us an acidic, basic, or neutral solution, I first need to break up the salt, find the ions, and then I test those ions against water to see what we end up with. So for each of these salts, dissociating them, just to answer the question of acidic, basic, or neutral, balancing these reactions doesn't matter. It would only matter if we were moving forward and doing calculations. I will balance them just so you know what the right ones are. Dissociated that salt. Now I take both of these ions and test them against water. The positive ion will always take the negative part of water, the hydroxide, and release H+. The negative ion will always take the positive part of water and release OH-. Then I look at which of these reactions are actually possible. Anything that produces something strong, not possible, not going to form, because the strong acid or the strong base would just dissociate right away. So because this is a strong base, this reaction won't happen. This is not a strong base or acid, this reaction will happen. The reaction that's happening is releasing hydroxide, therefore we end up with a basic solution. Same process for all the other ones. Dissociating this one, some people don't like how it dissociates, but again, the simplest thing that can fall off will fall off. Oftentimes something you know the charge of. First two columns or the second to last column on the periodic table. That's how that one dissociates. Testing against water. Positive ion steals an H. Oh, I'm sorry. Positive ion steals an OH. Releases an H. Negative ion steals an H. Releases an OH. Not strong, so this can happen. Strong, so this can't. The one that happens releases H+. Acidic solution. Lithium bromide. Test those ions against water. Positive ion steals hydroxide, releases H. Negative ion steals hydrogen, releases OH. Strong doesn't happen. Strong doesn't happen. Nothing happened to produce H or OH, so it's neither acidic nor basic. It is neutral. Yeah. KF. Testing against water. Positive ion steals hydroxide, releases H. Negative ion steals hydrogen, releases OH. Strong doesn't happen. Strong, not strong. I fell into a trap there. HF is not strong. It looks like a lot of our songs, HCl, HBr, HI, but it's not strong, so this one does happen. The one that happens releases hydroxide. This would be basic. Last one, iron and nitrate. Testing against water. Positive ion steals hydroxide, releases H. Negative ion steals hydrogen, releases OH. This is strong, doesn't happen. This is not strong, so it does, releases H. And it's acidic.